Hello, welcome back to AddOSC Live Noding. In this episode, I want to share with you this setup that I made using animation nodes and audio nodes. So this is kind of like an update of an old setup. The cool thing is that we can generate sound from Blender itself instead of relying on something like Sonic Pi. Even though Sonic Pi is actually really cool if you ever want to do like real-time audio. So maybe I should just give you a demo. But first of all, there's a couple of dependency here that you need to know. First of all, I'm using AddOSC in Blender. So AddOSC is listening to any OSC signal that I send from my iPhone currently. The iPhone is running TouchOSC, so it's sending this OSC signal in real time. Actually, let me turn this on. And yeah, I think it is working. So my iPhone is doing this tilt and rotations, and it's sending it to this OSC inside Blender. And then animation nodes will translate this OSC basically into the audio. So if I turn everything on and plug this, you can also see Suzanne's head is kind of moving around. So I turned off the audio for now, but you can see, just imagine Suzanne is like my iPhone when it's facing up, and this is my iPhone facing down. Oops, it's not translating correctly. This is tilting the head. This can be even faster if I'm not recording or if I make this full screen. So this now is performance a little bit better. So yeah, I can actually maybe increase the rate, or this is maximum. But what's happening is, so the OSC is being translated using animation nodes using this script node that's provided by AddOSC developer. And so I'm only looking at the accelerator of the iPhone in XYZ, and I'm only using 2 channel. I'm not using the one at the bottom right there. The one in the, so it's apart from controlling Suzanne over here using this combined Euler, I'm basically transferring the data and pass it into this guy over here, which is the audio nodes. And the script node is very simple, basically just transferring the data into node groups called sounds out for oscillator 001 and oscillator. So it's very, very basic, and pretty sure I can make the sound a little bit better. So in a way, this is kind of like making sound like the Otamatone. So maybe I need to make this a little bit bigger, or triangle. Can't really hear anything. Maybe just plug this. So based on the tilt, and it's basically controlling the frequency, and there are 2 factors, and one is like faster, one is slower in the frequency, and the other one also modulating the sound. So yeah, that's pretty much it basically. But I'll share you this setup. It's so you can play with it. But basically, it's I guess you can do a lot more. Of course, this is just like really I think the most basic setup. What you need to make sure is that for your AddOSC and the TouchOSC, it needs to listen to the same what is it called? Same port and then same address, and then it should work in real time. So yeah, hopefully this can transfer into Blender 2.8. Currently I'm using 2.79. With 2.78, very likely we can use like real time, and then maybe with light and color, and this experiment is gonna be a lot more interesting. So there you go. Maybe one more time. Let me turn this on and then make it full screen. Okay, there you go. That's pretty much it. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.